Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the Toolpath sequence feature or option for RouterCAM. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. If we head back in the program here, now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series where we'll be covering different settings for the toolpaths for RouterCAM, which is located here on the right. Now, today we're going to be looking at sequence, and that is pretty much the cutting order. We have covered before when it came to the actual sequence with numbers in a previous mini series, where we would do the sequence according to numbers. Now we're going to be looking at layers versus automatic. So if I had to make some shapes here, let's grab 3 shapes and we can just preview it. Now the 2 options we do have, let's make a solid red so it's easier to see. Okay, so I'm going to simply just go under here, contour milling with my object selected, and then close up these. Now we've got the sequence tab over here. We've got 2 options here. The one is automatic and the other one is as on the layers or layer. So automatic, as you can imagine, if I click OK, then according to my cut origin, it is gonna automatically set the quickest path, as you can see that. So I'll go to the closest object and then the closest to that, closest to that. So if we had to let's say I had to take this one and throw it that side, then we're gonna reload this. Now we can see it goes to the circle first and then to the rectangle. So that is what automatic does. It's I would say if you're new to a program and you don't know how to optimize your stuff yet, that is definitely the most convenient way or the better way to go about it. Then if we had to go edit and we go back to the sequence, then we've got as on the layer. So if we've selected this, then if we go to our object manager, which you can find your layers, and we can see we've got our 3 shapes here. Now it's going to cut it according to which shape is on top and then work its way down. So at the moment our polygon is on top, this one. Then we've got our ellipse, then the rectangle. So now in essence, it should be cutting it in reverse. So let's just quickly preview that. Let's load this and open it up. So now we can see it starts at the bottom, it works its way up. Now, even if I had to now move these 2 around, it is still going to cut it. Let's just generate that again. From the polygon to the circle to the square. So in order to change that order, you have to go to your object manager and then change it here. So if I had to put the rectangle on top, then it's going to go rectangle, polygon, ellipse. So that is when you're using the actual setting for as on layers under the sequence. So just a quick recap, we've got automatic, which will automatically, depending on your cutting origin, where it starts, your cutting point, go to the closest shape and then from the closest there on. Whereas on the layer, it will be according to your layer setup on your object manager. But yeah, that is it on sequence. Like I said, there is another one which is by number, but we've already covered that. Now to cut it with text fields or numbered text fields included. Otherwise, we head here to softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.